Today, I'll show you how to do your BKEX crypto taxes. Hello and welcome back to another wallet integration video. Today we're talking about BKEX and specifically how to do your crypto taxes with the help of Koinly. So I'll tell you a little bit about this exchange, then I'll jump into the integration, and then I'll show you how to get the necessary tax documentation. And lastly, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, I'll leave a bunch of different resources down below for you to look at. But yeah, without further ado, let's jump into it. So this exchange was founded in 2018 and it's based out of St. Thomas, Middle Island. Currently, it is a top 20 exchange by trading volume. They have a wide feature set from spot trading to derivatives, to leverage tokens, to earning, mining, and staking programs, and the list goes on. So lots of different things you can mess around with on their platform, which is really cool to see. Okay, so for the integration part of the video, the first step is always to sign into your Koinly account. If you don't have one, create one. It's completely free. Head over into the wallet section and click on Add Wallet. We're gonna type in BKEX. And then we're gonna click on it, and we don't have currently an API functionality. Maybe that's gonna be changing in the near future, so stay tuned obviously for the updated video if it does. But for now, we're gonna click import from file, and then I'll show you how you would get a CSV file from their platform. So on their platform in the past, you would be able to get to your transactions area, and you would be able to search for your history for a certain time frame with all the assets that you're looking for, and you would be able to export a file. Unfortunately, for some reason, this is not currently functional. Maybe that's just because during the time I'm recording this video, maybe that's not gonna be the case when you're watching this. So if it for some reason does end up working at the time when you're viewing this, you would get over into your spot trading history, you would get into your filled history, and then you would select an appropriate time, you would search for your transactions, and you would export a file. However, like I said, that's currently not working. So there's two different options. One of them is to create a file manually yourself, and I've made videos on that. I'll leave it in the top right corner of this video. Or alternatively, you can contact their support and request this file. So I'll leave a contact page down below for you to reach out to them and make sure you get that file. And once you have that file, whether you've created it by yourself or you were able to get it from BKEX, you're gonna take it, drag and drop it in Koinly, and click import, and there you have it. Once your data is imported, unfortunately, the potentially longer way with the manual imports, or with a little bit more hassle, you have to ask them. No worries, go into the transactions area and make sure that everything is sitting correctly with you. So make sure all your transactions are looking correct. If you have any staking, make sure your staking transactions are tagged correctly. So send to pool, send from pool. And once you're happy with that, go into the tax reports area and you get one final summary of all your crypto activity throughout the year. And once you're happy with that, scroll down and select a tax report appropriate for your needs. And we have plenty of different tax reports for all your needs. So if you're from the US, we have the IRS Schedule D Form 8949. You can also export to TurboTax both online and desktop versions. We have reports for UK, Sweden, Norway, France, Switzerland, Australia, and then lastly, Canada, Germany, and other countries. We have the complete tax report, which keep in mind is a document you can print off and give directly to an accountant, and they will combine it with your other tax documentation to submit. Or alternatively, you can invite them to Koinly to set up their account firm here with us. And then lastly, check your country's rules and regulations because this tax report might be deductible. But that brings us to the end of this video. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, a bunch of different resources are going to be put down below. Firstly, starting off with the Koinly Help Center with countless different crypto tax related articles. Then we have the feedback section if you're having any issues with the software. And then we have the forum section if you'd like to talk to members of our community as well as our staff. And then lastly, we have a contact section. You can leave us a message directly and we'd love to help you out. But I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.